Hello, and welcome to our channel. Are you looking for a new diet to help you lose weight and improve your overall health? The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, may be just what you need. The basic premise of the keto diet is to drastically reduce carbohydrate intake and replace it with healthy fats, in order to force the body into a state of ketosis. In this state, the body begins to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, leading to weight loss and other potential health benefits. One of the main benefits of the keto diet is that it can lead to significant weight loss in a relatively short period of time. Studies have also shown that the keto diet can lead to improved blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes, as well as reductions in LDL, bad cholesterol, and increases in HDL, good cholesterol. However, it's important to note that the keto diet can also have some negative side effects, particularly in the short term. These can include the keto flu, which is a set of symptoms that can occur as the body adjusts to the new diet, such as fatigue, headaches, and nausea. Additionally, the high fat intake can increase the risk of heart disease and high cholesterol levels. It's important to consult a doctor before starting the keto diet, particularly if you have any existing health conditions or are taking any medications. The keto diet can also be difficult to stick to long term, as it can be restrictive and may not be sustainable for some people. To make the keto diet more sustainable, it's important to plan your meals and have a variety of options to choose from, including a variety of healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds, as well as low-carb vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower, can help make the diet more enjoyable and satisfying. It's also important to note that the keto diet is not a one-size-fits-all solution and may not be suitable for everyone. It's always a good idea to consult with a doctor or nutritionist to figure out if it's right for you. With the right planning and preparation, the keto diet can be a great tool to help you lose weight and improve your overall health. Remember, always consult with a doctor before starting any new diet, and make sure to plan and prepare your meals for a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health and wellness tips. See you next time.